What is up, everyone? ICNL Trades here. Today I'm back with another trading day. Today I'm live trading, so it's going to be quite interesting. Let's check it out. So first things first, I'm going to start off with my pre-market analysis. I'll show you guys everything after I'm done doing it, but just sit tight for now. Market's not open. The first thing I do during my pre-market analysis is I mark my highs and lows on the 1 hour chart and 4 hour chart. Like so, most of them are already marked out, so that's pretty good so far. So let me check that off. Next, I'll look at the MACD, which is this on the bottom, and just kind of see where they're pointing on the 1 hour and 4 hour chart as well. You can kind of see it's dropping with the price action as well, so that's cool. And then on the 1 hour, it's also doing the same thing. Okay, so they're basically aligned. So then on my notebook, I'll basically say the MACDs are red and they're falling. Next, we'll look at this thing called the ST, the super trend. It really doesn't do anything, but I just like to make sure it's everything's going right with it. So it's blue on the 4 hour and it's flipped black on the 1 hour. Okay. And you write that down. So basically write down everything. Next we'll look at the EMAs, which are basically, turn this off. EMAs are my black and blues. If the blue is above the black, then I know buyers are in charge. If the black is above the blue, then I know sellers are in charge. And then we'll do the same thing for the 4 hour as well. 4 hour blue still above the black. Okay. Above the black. The next thing we'll check is our moving averages themselves. So it's a 50 and a 200 day. On the 4 hour, it's kind of far, so we don't really need to look at it yet. And then on the 1 hour, we crossed the 50 moving average. Okay, cool. Crossed the 50 last night on the 1 hour, and then on the 4 hour, we're still far from them, like I said. Awesome. So basically, that kind of, now we use all the information to build a bias for the day. And for me personally, I think it's looking a lot like shorts today. We see this gap down here as well. Price might come down and fill this gap finally, which will be fantastic. What else is there? So yeah, I'm feeling shorts. I'm kind of not liking how it has already dipped so much during the pre-market. So it's kind of interesting. We could look for a reversal at the bottom here if either this high time frame low gets taken out or this 15-minute low gets taken out, which it's getting taken out right now, it looks like. So yeah, now we'll just sit patiently and wait for market open, and then we'll get into some trades. And then here's kind of like the pre-market analysis on how I did it, if you care. But that being said, I'm gonna go use the restroom before market open. Alright, I'm back. Had to use the restroom real quick. Alright, so we see our 15-minute low get hit. That's interesting. So we'll just continue to watch. We'll continue to wait. Be patient. And then once market opens, we'll see if we have an entry somewhere. But I'm going to write down my bias. I didn't fully write that down. That's bad on me. But like I said before, I'm thinking about shorts. I see the gap being filled today. What else is there? We also saw the 1 hour, it's crossed. So on the 1 hour, in my opinion, sellers are in charge of buyers right now. So yeah, we really have some time to wait. I don't know why I started my pre-market analysis super early, but we also have another pre-market analysis, the last bit of it at 9:20, which is basically on my 5-minute chart. I basically do the same thing I did for my hour and 4-hour chart, but just on a 5-minute chart to basically, I don't know why I do it actually, but it helps a lot. Kind of just lets me know what's happening right before market actually opens. I do it at 9:20. It's perfect. But yeah, we see on the hour chart, this hour candle is starting to form. Hopefully it forms. I don't even know what I want right now. We'll just watch for now. All right. How to log in. Yeah, I definitely see it coming down and filling in the gap today. It's looking good. Yeah, 4-hour ST just went black. So we can change that. So yeah, I'm definitely feeling shorts a lot more right now. Especially if we can have this one close below that 15-minute low. This 4-hour candle. All right. So yeah, I have about 24 minutes till market opens. Yeah, I'm just gonna catch you guys at probably 9:15. About like 7 minutes or so, 8 minutes or so. All right, we're back. Market's about to open. I added a fair value gap right here. We'll see how that plays out, if it even gets used. But last thing I do before market opens is my 9:20. We'll just call it 9:20 now, but 9:20 pre-market analysis. So let's get into that. So it starts with the same thing. Highs and lows are already marked out, so that's good. This is on the 5-minute chart as well. The MACD is red. And then the ST is black. EMA black over blue. MA below both. All right, now we watch. So as you can see over here on the 1-hour chart, price did close below our 15-minute low, so it has officially been taken out. We're hopefully going to see it push down to 682.88. But what I'm hoping for is during when market opens, we can get a pop up here to 687, and then, or even not even 687. That's a bit much. I'm asking for too much there. 68529. Maybe get into this little fair value gap a little bit, use it, and then come back down, and then capture the gap. So yeah, we're looking for a slight pop at the beginning. Let me write that down actually too. For a slight pop and then short. All right, well, that's everything for pre-market. Now we really just wait. Just wait till market opens, see what we can get into. Hope we make some bread today. Go about our business. And hopefully you guys like these style of videos. I'm trying to get back on my content. I have a whole other list of different days, a schedule for myself of what I should be doing. Last but not least, my cousin gave me these. Really nice company. Really nice company. These these little pills in here just help you lock in. This is a creativity one. Kind of helps you look, for me, helps look at the markets in a different sense. I don't know if they work, but it could just be placebo. But we're using them. I'm not good at taking pills. Ugh. Alright, MACDs are still red. 15-minute. 5 minutes starting to reverse a little bit, kill over. If we get one of these like crosses, that'll be interesting. We also have jobless and GDP coming out today. Let me make sure though. Yeah, jobless, GDP, Q3. Well, those already came out at 8:30, but I wonder if, because the government shut down, do they actually come out or not? And no, they didn't. Yeah, they got to figure that out. Everything up and running. Bad. Hello. Oh shit, I thought my shit was not recording. I was about to be pissed. Alright, anyway. I'm about to say stocks is just a lot of waiting. I love it though, but there's just a lot of waiting. Teaches patience. Like I said, we're aiming for shorts. Gap being filled. Looking for a slight pop. Not too much. Maybe even up to, 6. I'm liking that. 685. 685, 27, 25, that area. Down and up and down, up and down. Let's just mark this out. Alright, still have some time. The calm before the storm. Let me finish taking these creativity pills. Ugh. Yeah. Yeah. This shit gon' crash, twin. This shit gon' crash. This shit gon' crash, twin. Pop. So one last check. We can kind of see the blue EMA on the 4-hour getting ready to, not getting ready, but heading towards the 10 EMA. Oh, my bad. The 10 EMA, English. The 10 EMA is heading towards the 20 EMA. This could cross later today or maybe sooner than later. Black is still above the blue. We crossed it below the 50 MA. Closed below the 15-minute lows. This is interesting though. Okay, here we go. Some pops are starting to happen. So yeah, this all looks good for shorts. It looks great for shorts actually. I might even just get shorts at market open. No, let me stop playing. Yup, there it goes. It's starting to go now. Don't leave without me though. Don't leave without me though. And by the way, the whole pre-market analysis, everything I just did right there, is also, it's simply just to develop a bias. Like, there's times where I'll do all that, looking at all the indicators and everything like that, and then once the trading day starts, I'll turn off everything like this and just use simple, like, bear strategy. So don't think, oh my god, I gotta learn all these indicators if you do want to do what I do. But like, you can trade like this and just wait for key levels to get hit and then do what you gotta do after. But I'm gonna leave these on until market open at least, just to see if they're all playing out how I wanted them to play out. Cause I know a few people will be like, oh my god, indicators, oh my god, you don't know what you're doing. Maybe I don't, but I feel like I do. Yep. That just went black. 2 minutes till market open. Here we go. Here we go. Let's have some fucking fun today. Let's have some flipping fun today. That's better. Okay. First things first, we will delete this low. Not necessary. Bang. Yeah, I'm about to short the frick out the S&P 500. Was this a 15-minute? Yeah, it's a 15-minute low. So this just got 41 seconds. If we close above this orange one, I'll go long and market open. Actually, wait, no. Fuck no. All right, market is open. First thing I'm going to do is come over here, check this so we know price wants to go up. Let's see what we can do here. Options. Let's wait for a pop, wait for a pop. S&P want to go up. Cool, so if it closes below 683, I'm going short though. Let's load up. Up 18, 22, 24, 26, 25, 34. Let's wait. We're still holding. We're still holding. Let's sell. We'll take that. Holding, 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 holding. I got out of it. Don't know why, but just wasn't feeling it. Just not feeling it right now. We'll take that though. A quick little $21 gain. All right. I will say though, if this does go down, we'll watch it. Like right now, I'm really just focused on getting gains. So like, I'm not ever trying to put the account at jeopardy. But maybe I'm regretting something. We'll see though. We'll see. If this does hit 682, I'll be kind of mad. If it hits 681, I'll definitely be mad. So I mean, on my checklist though, for my pre-market analysis, as we can see here, at the analysis area, the first thing it says is shorts. We can put a green check mark right there because it did what we wanted right there. Bang. We can't really comment too much on the gap being filled or looking for a slight pop. I don't think the slight pop is gonna happen anymore. If this does go to 682, I'm pissed, and I should have just stayed in it. I'm a pansy. Got scared. We'll watch this. We'll watch this. Turn that off. That's really annoying. Let's just see if it'll hit that first take profit. Yep. I should have stayed in it. But it's all good. Real talk though, this was honestly my first live trading video. I'm gonna get this video. Oh my god. Hold up. Let me see something. 684. So they're going for 300 right now. Oh yeah. So this is honestly, this is perfect. I'm glad I'm live recording and we're watching this all together. This is something I need to work on and get better at. I need to get better at just sticking with my trade and not getting it. Like, it wasn't even close to my stop loss. I don't even know why I sold out early. I think I get nervous. I see the money. I want to collect. So I mean, Jesus, I should have stayed in it. But I mean, shoulda, coulda, woulda. Now we see my analysis, my pre-market analysis did work, which is honestly awesome to see. Yep, and we're about to go and come down and close this gap, aren't we? Without me. That's why trading's fun, dude. You can spend all morning building out a perfect trade and then just sell out early because you're scared, because you don't trust yourself. But I see no trades. Peace. I made money today. Don't give a fuck.